when I was kind of grieving my father, the priest actually came to me and he said that, can you tell me one plant that your father loved the most?
Oh.
So I remember my father, Appa always used to put tulsi when he had this elaborate morning ritual. You know, he was a very religious person.
Hmm.
So his puja would go on for like 1 hour or whatever. So he would put tulsi in all the water and everything when he used to do
Hmm.
his Sandhya Vandanam and everything.
Hmm.
So that was there, and I instantly said, "Ki yeah, Appa loved tulsi."
Hmm.
So they said, okay, try planting that
Huh.
and it should be like a memory of your father. So I remember I was also, you overcome with emotion so much.
Hmm.
And I did that. I
Hmm.
myself was probably in my lowest lows at that time. And no
Hmm.
matter how hard I tried,
Hmm.
that plant died. It just literally peeled me off my skin in a way. I didn't
Hmm.
know what to do. So it took me some time and with the help of therapy. And then when I started nurturing that again, touch wood, it's been so beautiful. And I also feel that that is one element that your consistency and how you really want to associate the soul of your favorite person with
Huh. Huh.
nature. So the first time when the tulsi plant died, of course, I did have this hope against hope that it will happen. And you won't believe what happened miraculously.
Hmm.
At that time, my pots were kept in the terrace because we did not have the lift back then. Now I have moved everything here.
Hmm.
And then one day, what happened? I actually saw the same pot which was barren, and it was around the monsoon time. उसमें फिर से तुलसी आने लग गया.
Oh.
I had not done anything because I was still so upset and I was just kind of in a dual mind कि मैं करूँ ना करूँ and all of that
Hmm.
again.
Hmm.
So then I realized that sometimes nature does work in mysterious
Huh.
ways and it just gives you that hope
Hmm. Hmm.
when you need it the most and you don't
Same here.
realize कि
Hmm.
कैसे हो रहा है and I was thinking about it. मैंने सोचा क्या पता कोई bird तुलसी का कुछ लेके जा रहा होगा, उसका कोई seed गिर गया होगा, कुछ हो गया. But
Hmm.
I was like, you know what, at the end of the day, when these things come together and they give you hope, who
Hmm.
are we to deny that? Who
Hmm.
are we to just say that things are so screwed up beyond repair?
Hmm.
Who are we to actually give up on life
Hmm.
when
Same here.
something which we don't have any idea about,
Hmm.
which we don't know how it is even working, but it is still coming through, right? So that is your hope,
Huh.
day after day
Huh.
coming back to you. That if I can go all barren, I can also come back thriving.